Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us, and thank you for subscribing. We'd love to have a lot of regular viewers on this new channel. One of the things I want to make very clear today, really just some inside information for you. A lot of the videos, the older ones that you'll see on our channel, have the marking Studio Blueprint. Now the Studio Blueprint, some of you may remember, but it was one of the very earliest subscription training channels. Say that 3 times fast. Subscription training channels back on the web. And it ran very successfully and had a lot of members, but it was terminally hacked after just a couple of years of development. And honestly, we just didn't have the heart to rebuild the whole thing. So it kind of slid. But you'll see a lot of the content was originally created and produced by the Studio Blueprint. So you'll see that on the movies. And I want to let you know that also that we are not new to photo education. Before my Studio Blueprint, there was ZUGA TV. That was the very first training videos available on the web. And I don't even know when that was. That was in the late 90s, early 2000. And I produced a lot of videos for that channel as well. And it lasted a few years. But, you know, technology just changes so quickly. And I was very proud of the Studio Blueprint. And we had put so much in that we lost so much when it was hacked. We lost 3 websites from one hacker. So I had a real pity party for a while and then got back up. But I did not recreate the Studio Blueprint. So I just wanted to explain that to you so you understood what that backstory is. And then nobody will write me about it. Well, you all have a great day, and be sure to keep watching Tim Kelly's Master Photo Techniques.